Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to If You're New Here, where we dive deep into all things motorcycles, gear, and the latest in two-wheel tech. If you're passionate about bikes, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of the epic content we have coming your way. Now, let's get into it. So, today we're going to be talking about a bike that has all of us in the motorcycle community buzzing, the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide. If you're a fan of the CVO line, you know Harley really knows how to blend luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology in these models. The CVO Street Glide takes that even further. In this video, we're going to break down everything from its sleek new design, to the advanced tech, the power under the hood, and of course, how it rides. By the end, you'll know if this beast is worth your hard-earned money, or if you should be looking elsewhere. So let's dive right into it. Now, right off the bat, you can tell Harley went all in with the design of this bike. The 2026 CVO Street Glide has that signature aggressive, yet refined look, with the perfect balance of boldness and sophistication. The color schemes this year are incredible. Harley has offered some jaw-dropping finishes, with unique two-tone combinations that you won't find on any other model. Whether you're into the deep, glossy blacks or you prefer the shiny, chrome accents with a matte finish, Harley has options to suit your style. The front end of the CVO Street Glide screams attitude. From the new fairing design to the updated headlamp, it's clear this bike was made to turn heads. The headlamp itself is now a more modern, sleek LED unit, which provides a better lighting spread, giving riders enhanced visibility at night. The fairing on the 2026 model has been slightly refined, reducing drag, improving aerodynamics, and providing better wind protection for the rider. I don't know about you, but on long rides, comfort is everything. So, with less wind resistance, the ride feels smoother and a bit more relaxed. And let's not forget about the famous shark nose front fender that's still a part of the bike's identity. It's a signature design that has stood the test of time, and for good reason. It adds a touch of nostalgia, while still looking absolutely modern. Now let's talk power, because let's face it, that's one of the most exciting parts of the CVO Street Glide. Harley has equipped the 2026 model with its tried-and-true Milwaukee-Eight engine, but this year, it's a 117 cubic inch variant, giving you plenty of torque and horsepower. With this engine, you're looking at a monster 125 ft-pounds of torque, which is more than enough to feel that raw power when you twist the throttle. Whether you're cruising at 60 miles per hour or you're out on the open road, pushing it to 100 mph, you can feel the engine respond to your commands immediately. It's a smooth yet powerful ride, and for long-haul cruising, it feels effortless. That Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine has been fine-tuned for an even smoother ride than previous years. The latest version has improved vibration dampening, so you're not getting that rough, shaky feeling in your hands and feet that you sometimes get with large V-twin engines. Also, don't forget about Harley's latest suspension upgrades. The rear has the all-new Reflex Link Brembo brakes, which provide a better braking performance, while the front suspension has been tuned for more comfort and responsiveness. Speaking of comfort, the seat and the handlebar position on the 2026 model have been tweaked to make it more ergonomic. This allows riders to stay on the bike longer without feeling stiff or sore. It's perfect for those extended cross-country trips, or just riding around the city. Now, let's talk tech. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide doesn't just shine in terms of power and looks, it's also a tech powerhouse. Harley has really raised the bar with the infotainment system this year. At the heart of it is the Boom Box GTS, which is Harley's most advanced infotainment system to date. The GTS system comes with a 6.5-inch color touchscreen display that's super responsive and easy to navigate. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in, so you can sync up your phone and access your favorite apps, navigation, music and more all at your fingertips. The sound system? Well, let me tell you, Harley has partnered with Rockford Fosgate to deliver an audio experience that will blow your mind. The CVO Street Glide comes equipped with a premium 6-speaker system, providing crystal clear audio at any speed. Whether you're cruising with the wind in your face or stuck in city traffic, you'll enjoy premium quality sound that's second to none. On top of that, the CVO Street Glide comes with advanced rider assist features. You have your standard cruise control, but also hill hold control, reflex defensive rider systems, RDRS, and an all-new adaptive ride height feature that allows the bike to adjust its suspension automatically for optimal comfort, no matter your load or riding conditions. Safety is always a priority with Harley, and the 2026 model doesn't fall short. You've got cornering enhanced ABS, traction control, and stability control to help you maintain control in adverse conditions. Whether you're riding in the rain or taking a sharp curve, this bike's got your back. Now that we've covered the tech, let's focus on how the bike feels when you ride it. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide is all about comfort, and that's one area where Harley really shines. For starters, the seat is plush but supportive. It's a comfortable long-distance touring seat, with lumbar support, so you can feel comfortable all day long. You can even adjust the height of the seat if you need to, which is a game-changer for those shorter riders out there. The suspension on the Street Glide has also been upgraded to make it feel even smoother. Whether you're riding on city streets, highways, or winding country roads, you'll notice that the suspension absorbs bumps and potholes with ease. It's a much more refined and comfortable ride compared to previous years, and that's something Harley's been putting a lot of attention into lately. As for the handling, the 2026 CVO Street Glide is surprisingly agile for a touring bike. The steering is light, and the bike feels stable at all speeds. If you've been hesitant about handling because of its size, don't be. This bike handles as smoothly as any smaller cruiser, and that's a major plus for riders who enjoy those twisty roads or city traffic. One of the most exciting things about owning a Harley-Davidson is the ability to customize it to your liking, and the 2026 CVO Street Glide doesn't disappoint in this regard. From custom paint options to a wide range of performance upgrades, there's something for everyone. The CVO line is known for its limited edition, high-end accessories, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Whether you want to add custom saddlebags, a unique exhaust system, or even tweak the handlebars for your perfect riding position, the options are endless. Harley also offers a wide range of seat options, foot pegs, and handlebar grips to make the bike feel more personalized. And if you want to go all out, you can upgrade to a full Stage 4 kit for even more performance. That means more power, better airflow, and an even more responsive engine. If you're looking for that extra push, this could be the way to go. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. With all these features and upgrades, how much is the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide going to set you back? Well, the starting price for this beauty is around $46,000, and while that's definitely on the high end of the price spectrum, you're getting what you pay for. You're not just buying a bike. You're buying a premium touring machine that's been crafted with precision and loaded with tech, power, and luxury. When you look at it in comparison to other premium touring bikes in the market, the CVO Street Glide is a competitive option, offering more features and better technology than most of its competitors in the same price range. Harley's quality, performance, and resale value are hard to beat, which makes this a solid investment for any serious rider. So after all of that, where does the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide stand? Well, if you're a fan of Harley's touring lineup and you're looking for a high-performance, luxurious ride that can go the distance in both comfort and style, the 2026 CVO Street Glide is an absolute winner. With its refined design, monstrous engine, top-of-the-line technology, and unmatched comfort, it's everything you could want in a touring bike. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on long-distance trips, the CVO Street Glide offers an experience that's second to none. If you've been eyeing this bike, I'd say it's definitely worth considering, especially if you want a bike that combines Harley's iconic design with all the modern tech and performance you could ask for. Alright, that's going to do it for today's review of the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. Also, drop your thoughts about the CVO Street Glide in the comments below. I want to hear what you think about this bike. Is it your dream ride, or do you prefer something else? Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the rubber side down and the throttle twisted. Until next time, ride safe and I'll catch you in the next video.